Welcome. This is a 10-minute beginner-friendly yoga flow to help build strength and stamina. Let's begin standing at the top of the mat. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Interlacing your fingers, flip your palms. On the inhale, reach the palms up overhead. Exhale, side stretch to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, gentle side stretch to the right. Inhale back to center. Exhale, fold. Option to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift. Nice flat back, hands to shins or thighs. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step the left foot back. Inhale, reaching the hands up overhead for high lunge. Exhale, sit the hips low. Point the left toes towards the left side of the mat. Opening the arms, warrior two. Inhale, reach the right hand forward, flipping your palm. Exhale, reverse warrior, reaching that right hand up and overhead. Left hand rests on the left thigh. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, straighten the right leg. Inhale, reaching the right hand forward. Exhale, plant the right hand to the mat, shin or thigh. Left hand reaches up and over for Trikonasana. Option to take a bind, if the body allows it today. Full inhale. On the exhale, release. Warrior two. Open for 5-pointed star. Inhale, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, sink the hips low. Hands to heart center for goddess pose. Place the hands on your knees. Take a gentle twist towards the left and then twist towards the right, alternating at your own pace. Inhale, hands overhead, straighten the legs. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take your time here, transitioning back to high lunge. On the inhale, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, plant the hands, step back for plank. Taking a vinyasa, plant the knees. Lower halfway. Inhale, untuck the toes, up dog. Exhale, sending the hips up for down dog. Walk it out here, bending one knee, bend the other. Allowing the head to be really heavy, no tension in the neck. Inhale, stepping to the top of the mat. Half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the right foot back. Inhale, reaching the hands up overhead, high lunge. Full exhale, sink nice and low. Inhale, open for warrior two. Right toes point towards the right side of the mat. Inhale, flip your palm, reaching the left hand forward. Exhale, reach it up and over for reverse warrior. Inhale back to warrior two. Exhale, straighten the left leg. Inhale, reaching the left hand forward. On the exhale, plant it to the shin or thigh. Right hand reaches up and overhead. Option to take a bind. Inhale, release, warrior two. Exhale, sink nice and low. Inhale, opening up for 5-pointed star. Exhale, sink the hips low, hands to heart center. Goddess pose. Inhale, 5-pointed star. Exhale, goddess. 2 more times, moving with the breath. Inhale, transition to high lunge, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, plant the hands. Step back, plank. Option to lower the knees. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Bending the knees here, let the head be heavy. When you're ready, we'll plant the knees, send the hips towards the heels, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat for our child's pose. Taking a moment here to soften the shoulders, the upper back with each exhale. Drawing the breath into the belly. On the exhale, allowing the hips to be heavy. Inhale, rounding up 1 vertebrae at a time. Let the head come up last. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.